Hello everyone, myself Vijendra Jain, Faculty Social Science, ResoNet PCCB Division Kota, and today I am present here with the previous year NTSE question of chapter Manufacturing Industry. And here mostly we will discuss about the NTSE Stage 1 or the NTSE Stage 2 questions from the whole chapter. Mostly the questions those are came into the past years. Today we will discuss about that question. So the first question from the manufacturing industry is here. The question is, which one of the following industries use bauxite as a raw material? When we talk about the bauxite, there was a system of making the bauxite, and where we have discussed that as a raw material, there is a bauxite used in the raw material for the aluminium or to convert the steel or making for the steels also there are the questions. But here mostly we are talking about the aluminium. So when we talk about the demand of the aluminium or making of the aluminium, we use the bauxite as a raw material. So the option is electronics, B is cement, C is aluminium, and the D is steel. So this was the question in the Haryana NTSE Stage 1 in 2013. So the answer will be aluminium, as I already told you. Then the second question, which of the following industrial town is located on the Chota Nagpur Plateau? Chota Nagpur Plateau, that is located into the Ranchi, or we can say the Jharkhand. Chennai, option B is Ranchi, option C is Srinagar, and the option D is Sundarnagar. This was the question in Punjab NTSE Stage 1 in the year 2013. So the answer will be Ranchi. Then the next question, read the following statement and then choose the correct option. First, A statement is cottage industrial occupations are hereditary in nature. Cottage industrial occupations are hereditary in nature. Then some of the goods produced in cottage industries are also exported. So the option A and option B, mostly I am just talking about the statement A and statement B, both are correct. Then statement C, cottage industries adopt high level of technology and required huge capital. This is not right. In a cottage industry where the investment is less than 1 crore, or we can say the small scale industries, so they did not use the high technology or the huge capital. So C option is incorrect, or the statement A or statement B is correct. So now choose. Option A is saying that A is true and B and C are false. No, A and B both are true. Then option B is saying that A is false and B and C are true. No, C is false. Then option C is saying B is true and A and C are false. This is also wrong. Then the option D, C is false and option statement A and B are true. So the option D will be the right answer. Then the next, consider the following statements. Now again, there are the assertion reason type question, and mostly in this question that is asked into the NTSE Stage 1 examination during the 2014. There are two statements, one is assertion and second is reason. So we will discuss that how the assertion define the reason, or what is the assertion and what is the reason. So first, assertion, manganese is used in the manufacturing of steel. Yes, this is correct. Then nearly 10 kg of manganese is needed to make 1 ton of steel. This is also correct. Select the correct option from the given alternative. I can say that assertion and reason both are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So now choose the option. A is true, R is false. No, wrong answer. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So the option B will be the right answer. Then the next question, which one of the following iron and steel plant was established during the third 5-year plan? Bhilai, Bokaro, Rourkela, or the Durgapur? So option B will be the right answer. Bokaro will be established in the 5th year of plan. Then the next question, which is the largest paper producing state in India? This is very simple question, and the option will be West Bengal, that is C option. Question number 7, choose the right answer. Cotton Police of India, Mumbai. Then B option is Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore. This is right. Then C, Manchester of North India, Kanpur. This is also right. Then Detroit of India, Modinagar. No, this is wrong. So only A, B and C are right. So the option D will be the right answer. Then the next question, The following is the list of iron and steel plants located into the various parts of India. Like A is Visakhapatnam, B Bhadravati, C Jamshedpur, D is Salem, E is Raurkela, F is Bokaro, and G is Vijayanagar, and H is Durgapur. Which one of the following represent iron and steel industries located outside the Chota Nagpur region? Now we need to define that which is outside the Chota Nagpur region. So option C will be the correct answer. A, B, D, G. These are the locations, those are outside the Chota Nagpur region. A is Visakhapatnam, that is in Tamil Nadu, then B is Bhadravati, then D is Salem, and the last G is Vijayanagar, Karnataka ke side mein. Then let's talk again the next question. Assertion and reason type question that is asked into the Jharkhand NTSE examination in 2015, and the assertion is cotton textile industries is decentralized in India. Yes, this is right. Reason: cotton textile industry is immensely influenced by the market. Select the correct option and from the given alternatives. Now I can say that assertion is true but reason is false. So the option C will be the correct answer here. So now let's talk about the question number 10. Match the textile centers indicate on the map of India. First, second, third and fourth with their representatives names. Now let's talk about the textile centers that is indicate in map of India. There are the 4 centers: first, second, third and fourth. When we talk about the first center, that is Chennai, I can write here. The name of this center is Chennai. Then the name of this 4th number center is Mumbai. Then the name of second is Coimbatore. And then the name of the third is Solapur. So these are the 4 textile centers. So now let's talk. Option is given A. First is matching with the C. So first number is C, Coimbatore. Okay. Then second is matching with the B. Second is B, Solapur. No, this is not right. Then option B is saying second is C. Second is C means Coimbatore. This is right. Then first is A. He is the saying first is A. First is A, Chennai. This is also right. Then fourth is D. He is saying that fourth is D. Mumbai. This is also right. And the third is B. Solapur. Okay, this is the correct option. So I can say the option B will be the right answer for this question. Now the next question, question number 11. In which year was the first successful cotton textile mill established in Mumbai? So the option B will be the right answer in 1854. This is the true fact, and there is a notable thing also in the NCERT book. Now the next question. Which one of the following agencies market steel for the public sector plants? HAL, Shell, Tata Steel or the MNCC? So the option B will be the right answer, Shell. Then Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of which type of industry? Joint sector, public sector, private sector or the cooperative sector? This is the example of joint sector industry. Option A will be the right answer. Then question number 14. What are the human factors for establishment of an industry? Factors are labor, raw material, transport, banking facility or availability of water. Now we are talking about only the human factors. So factor 1, that is labor, also human factor. Then factor 3rd, transport, it is run by the human being. This is also factor. Then 4th number, banking facility, those are also provided by the human being. So these first labor, 3rd transport and the 4th banking facility are the human factors. Those are responsible or the establishment for the an industry. So option A will be the right answer. Then question number 15. Which is not forest based industry? Paper industry, this is also forest based. Wood industry, this is also forest based. Rubber industry, this is also forest based. And the sugar industry, this is agriculture based industry. So option D will be the right answer. Question number 16. Which one of the following is source of aluminium? I already told you, discussed in the previous question, that bauxite used for the making of aluminium. So option A will be the right answer. Now the next question. The main problems of industrial backwardness of Bihar is. What are the main problems for the backwardness of Bihar? And this is the question in Bihar NTSE stage 1 examination during the 2020. And option A is lack of raw material. Option B is saying lack of capital, or we can say the money. Then option C is lack of electricity, and the D is all of the above. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. So now we have discussed something about the 17 questions and most of the questions from the NTSE stage 1 examination, and I think that you have to discuss about only fact in this type of exam. Mostly I am just talking about the NTSE stage 1, and there are some different type of question that is related with the assertion reason or the case study based question also. So hope that you will do your best. Thank you, bye and take care.